It's not Lonely Planet, it's not TripAdvisor, it's not some weird website. It's 5-Star Marine, Jay and Shaun's top 5 beaches in Phuket. Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with Sarah and Jay.
Hello, I'm Jay and this is Sarah the Flamingo.
I'm not even going to ask about it.
Because we're doing top 5 beaches and the only thing I could find when I left the house was this flamingo.
I'm really excited that for the very first time in 3 years you've been doing YouTube with us.
Yes.
3 years, right?
Yes.
Very first time you listened to me, and no longer we're doing this TripAdvisor, Lonely Planet, Atlas World, top beaches. We're actually going to do Jay and Shaun's top 5 beaches.
What? Can I be honest?
Because every time they say
stop.
top 5 beaches, you and I don't agree with it.
No, that's because you send me those things and you say, Jay, let's do a video on this.
Yeah, no, that's for the thing called Google.
Yes, exactly.
But this one's for you.
Well, this is part of our top 5 / top 15 series that we're doing.
Yeah, we're not very good at top 5, actually.
No, we're not.
The other day it was top 3 that turned into top 20 and top 5 that turned into top 15, and now we're going to do what?
I don't know. Well, we were going to do the top 5 markets and we only got 3.
Yeah, no, but we did add on after that.
Oh, yeah, a few.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, these are the top 5 beaches that in no particular
order
that you can go to in Phuket, or the top 5 that we think are nice.
Yeah, I think for me, I'm going to start. And
Why are you going to start?
I'm going to start out there with Lan Beach. There's a reason that...
Oh, hold on. New editor Miguel. Hi, Miguel. Put a map up to show where the beach is. Thanks.
I got you, homie.
I'm going to put Lan there because this is my origin story. We've been talking about superheroes lately.
Good one.
My origin story, I came to Thailand for a holiday. I walked onto Lan Beach on January 2nd.
Ooh.
I remember walking on the beach. About 10 minutes after being on the beach, I rang my mum and said...
Were you naked or in Speedos?
Speedos.
Excellent.
I rang my mum and said, not coming home, take care of my dog, sell my jet ski and my car, and I'm not coming home. So I
Did you get the money for your jet ski and your car? Did she keep it?
No.
Okay, let's not go down that path. Shaun just gave me a look.
So anyway, for me, on my point of view, I would say for beaches that are on Phuket itself, I love Lan Beach.
Okay, all right, well, so that could be one.
That's one from me.
Okay. I'm going to say Serin Beach for the very similar story, because that's my origin story. Whereas I first came here, I lived on Serin Beach, and it was really good. And at that time, Serin Beach, now Serin Beach is what they called it. It's a
Virgin Beach, right?
Virgin Beach, but it's definitely not. There's no virgins on that beach, that's for sure.
Got him! Got him!
Not if you've been watching the news lately.
Exactly, yeah. So anyway, but I first came here, and that time Serin Beach wasn't a virgin beach. It had nightclubs, beach clubs, restaurants, bars. It was really buzzing. It was a great place. Yeah, and I loved it. And so that's where I first went to Catch. The first place when I DJ'd at Catch.
Just to note that none of that's there now, because they cleaned it all and they gave it all back to the Thai people, and it's a representation of the king.
Yes, and it's still a lovely beach now.
It's a beautiful beach.
And it is a beach now. And now
they do still have some street vendors.
They got some great street. And do you know what? We should do a video about the top 5 street food one day.
Yeah, we should do that one day.
That's right. So Serin Beach is
coming soon.
Yes. So Lan Beach, Serin Beach. You can do one.
Well, we're all towards the northern end of the island.
Yeah, that's because we don't go down south. Full of weird people, vegans. Lots of vegans down there.
I feel like I need to say a south one now, just to...
But only if you like it. Don't just say it because you don't like it. Say it because you like it.
I'm not going to say it. I'm going to go the other way.
Go on.
I'm a big fan of Nan Nan Beach.
Okay, yes, I like that.
I used to do pre-5-star, so pre being so busy I had no time to do anything.
Yes.
On a Sunday, we would go to Nan Nan Beach and we'd go to one of the local beach restaurants there and have lunch and
grilled
play
chicken.
on the beach. Yeah,
grilled salted fish.
Yeah,
really
like this.
Good. Yeah.
And then watch sunset, and then we'd motorbike back.
Oh, with a helmet, of course.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely. And you didn't have any alcohol when you was on your motorbike,
No,
did you?
of course not.
Good. No, I like Nan Nan Beach. I think it's very nice. Do you know what? I'm going to pick one.
It has, though. Are we allowed to say this?
What?
It's gone a little off the rails in the last 2 years, I think.
It's also a national park, so sometimes you have to pay to go in it if you go past a certain point.
Yeah, but I feel like 10 years ago that was my favourite beach. It's still in the top.
Mate, life moves on.
It's
Don't
still
get
in the
like
top.
That. Back in my day, music was better. It had lyrics and it had stories.
All right. What's yours?
That's 3, is it?
Yep.
Okay. Do you know what I'm going to go for? And this is not because I'm a fan of it, but Caron Beach. I'm not a huge fan of
really?
Yeah, but no, do you know why? For this time of the year, the surfing. It's got really nice, simple waves that come in, and it's one of the best places to go to learn to surf. And that's why I'm picking it. I'm not a big fan of the beach because I find it too touristy. Serin Beach, too many people.
It's like Patong Beach #2.
Yeah, but the surfing on there is so, yes, you can surf in Serin, Layan sometimes, different places, Kata for sure, but Karon's just got really easy waves, especially at low tide, so I think we should put it in the list.
Yeah, and I think if you're going to put Karon in, for me...
Not Karen, not our staff member Karen, she's not, well, actually she's one of them.
We should ask Karen what her best favourite beach is.
I'll ask Karen later.
Here's Karen.
My favourite beach is Saturday. I'm not Karen on Saturdays. All right.
For me, okay, if we're going south, I'll put Nan Han. Nan Han is a beautiful beach.
It
Too
is
many
a beautiful
people
beach.
and overran, but it is a beautiful beach.
Do you know what's nice about that beach is what you're seeing the yachts that are parked in the bay there, because that is quite nice. It adds atmospheric.
Very clear water at Nan Han, though.
Is there?
Yeah, very clear water.
I don't know. I've never gone swimming there. I don't think.
Yeah.
I don't go down that far. I don't go down that far. I don't go down that way very often.
No, again, we're Northern Island snobs, so you know the Southern Island people, they don't really like us. So
Do you know we've mentioned the 5 beaches. What we're going to do now?
Well, we did say the 5 beaches on Phuket itself.
We can't. No.
Let's put a few outliers.
No,
out
because
there.
we could save those and do another video.
No,
That's another bit of content. No, Sean, come on. I'm struggling for content.
Jay has been itching, like his leg is like under the table. His leg is bouncing because he's got to say.
That's not my leg, Sean.
He's got to say Maya Bay. That's by far his favourite beach.
I love Maya Bay. Do you know what? A friend of mine came over a couple of weeks ago and she took her family down to Maya Bay and she went with a different tour company.
Really?
So she got there when it was really busy.
You let them go?
I
didn't advise them against it?
I messaged them and said, you're an idiot for going with them.
Yeah.
But they went with probably a very good tour company, but they took them when it was really busy. And they said, oh, Maya Bay's terrible, why would I go there? And everyone started commenting.
I got a text from that person that said, yesterday we went with XX Marine and it was a horrible experience. Tomorrow we want to go private with you.
Honestly, you go there, we can get you there when it's beautiful and get there early and you see it, or get there late and it's lovely. It is a beautiful beach and it's got a great story behind it.
All right, and then I think on there we're going to put in Crocodile.
Oh, absolutely. Crocodile.
If you don't know what Crocodile is, you're going to need to go watch some of our other videos because it's a secret hidden beach.
What about this one?
Don't Google it. There's no such thing as Crocodile.
Well, here's one for you. What about Coral Island, Banana Beach?
Yeah, Banana Beach is good. What about Lemhad?
I wouldn't call that a beach, though. It's only a beach at certain times.
Yes.
And it's not really a beach where you can go and hang out for the day because all of a sudden the tide comes in. So you can't have that.
We've done a lot of work at Konok lately. I like Konok.
Yeah.
I also, I'm a big fan of Kudu, the beach at Kudu.
Yes, I don't think have I been to Kudu?
Yeah, you filmed Mother of the Bride there last year.
Oh yeah, didn't like it.
Yeah, I like it.
It's only my experience there, that's all.
And Natai Beach?
Well, Natai Beach isn't Phuket, that's in Phang Nga, so it's just off the bridge. It is beautiful there. I mean, that is a pristine virgin beach.
Yes.
There is nothing apart from beautiful, massive luxury villas there.
Turtle Beach?
Where's Turtle Beach?
I don't know. I've seen it. A lot of people writing about it.
You made that up?
No.
Notice we haven't said Patong Beach.
Yeah, can we put in the video about turtles just to irrelevantly post it in
Why?
here? You see it today?
What?
The crew, they were out on the boat today with some guests at PP.
Right, this morning?
Yeah, and they saw a turtle caught in a fishing net.
Yeah.
And so they stopped the boat and they went in and they cut the turtle free, and then there's this video of them cutting the turtle free and it's swimming away.
We've got footage of that?
Yeah.
โชคดีนะลูกเจอพอดีกัปตันแอนหันมาเจอพอดี
Oh, look at that.
It's got nothing to do with beaches, but I just thought it was really cool.
Okay, well I think we've covered the beaches.
Yeah, that's it. If we missed a beach
that you like,
and don't put Patong.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yes.
If you put Patong, we're going to delete the comment.
Absolutely.
Nobody go to Patong Beach. It's horrible, it's dirty, it's disgusting, there's too many people there. But you should go there.
Wow.
Sorry,
wow, Sean.
My personal opinions.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think
it is dirty though, Jay. Come on.
Depends what you mean by dirty, Sean. There's a lot of dirty things that happen there.
I was in Patong
for
Songkran.
Soy Cowboy.
No, I was in Patong for Songkran because we do the water fights there.
Yes.
And I walked onto the beach and the water is brown. Now, you remember the photos that we had of Patong during COVID?
Sean, it's a whale spunk.
No, but you remember the before and after
Why
photos?
was saying that, I wonder?
Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
But you remember the before and after photos they were showing in COVID?
Yes.
That when there were no tourists here, how beautiful and blue the water was.
Don't blame the
Patong.
tourists for going to the toilet. They have to go to the toilet.
Yeah. Anyway, let's not talk about it. If you comment Patong, we're blocking you, we're banning you, we're
I think we've
deleting
ruined
the
this
comment.
video, really.
Anyway,
We've gone off.
drop a comment below.
Yes. Top 5
if
beaches.
you don't agree.
Anyway, doesn't matter.
Ideally, please don't agree because it's better for our videos.
More comments.
More comments.
We need
the
more
better it
comments.
goes.
Yeah. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sarah says bye.